Welcome to this video. Today I am on the current date of filming this. It is December 30th, 2023, not 2024. I'm uploading this on January 1st, 2024, but that's not the case for me right now. Basically, I'm just gonna go into random public lobbies and just shoot fireworks and say Happy New Year! So that's what I'm gonna do. Goodbye. Lobby 1 non-casual.
Blue monkey. Blue monkey. Okay. Do you know how to do this? No, the gorilla. So put your controllers on the floor. Then you behind have one.
Okay, so first I just need to get up to stump.
I can only use one.
Oh. Okay.
Who's using hacks now?
I have 3 broken things.
Are you using hacks?
Are you using hacks?
So who's using hacks? Is he using hacks?
Okay. So now, Happy New Year!
You're just... My man's got no face!
Happy New Year!
Yeah, let me
Okay, so no one really seems to care, so I'm gonna go into beach lobby because that's where I've had the most luck. And then I'm in the first lobby. Just need to get up there. Okay, so now I'm going up there. I'm going up there. I'm good, but not good at this map. Hop. Just missed that. The reason I have this closed, because, they can't hear me right now. Oh! This isn't a mod, this is just if you go to a computer. Oh, gosh. That was close. Bruh. Temp 2. Oh no, copyright. Okay. Okay. This is good. Now I'm just gonna be up here and scream Happy New Year. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy 2024! Okay, so lobby I was in was very toxic, so I cut some of that part out. I'm still in that lobby. I just muted everyone because I'm trying to speak here. But so some lobbies are good with you saying Happy New Year. One lobby I was in today, but I wasn't recording. We had a New Year's party, but this time, not so good. I guess people who play at like 5 at night, no, like 6 p.m. at night are toxic than like 1 p.m. Oh no. Happy New Year! I don't care! Happy New Year's! I don't care! Happy New Year! Fireworks! Celebrate fireworks with me! Hey! You! Fireworks! 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 Fireworks!
What happened to the dude? The yellow dude who was gonna... Do that later, man.
Oh gosh.
Tomorrow. Golden
Whatever. Happy New Year! Happy Happy New Year! I don't.
Why did your parents say
When you were born.
Happy New Year! Let's go! Everyone seems so excited that it's 2 years, 2 days away. Happy New Year! Oh gosh. No, he has an actual one.
Yes.
Happy New Year! Guys, look up, there's fireworks! Yeah, look, there's fireworks! Guys, look! Fireworks! Guys, I think I found minigames, kids.
right in front of me.
Happy New Year, minigames, kids! Happy New Year!
What the heck?
Happy New Year, minigames!
Not even that just found me up here. Dude, it's not even
New Year's.
I don't care! I don't care that it's not even close to New Year's.
What?
Happy New Year, minigames!
Do that one more time.
Okay. Happy New Year!
To play mini games every day.
Say that
You like
one more
minigames?
time?
Yes.
If you say that one more time, you're gonna regret it.
Happy New Year!
What the heck did I just say?
Oh no.
What did I say?
Guys, it's a mad minigames kid!
You think you could get away with that
Ah!
easily?
Oh god. No! I'm sorry!
You think
Oh.
I'm sorry? I'm sorry.
The minigames kid is attacking me. Guys,
Where's
Pink.
the tiger? Who's the tiger?
This is Cat.
the minigames kid is attacking me.
Who's the tiger?
Really? This is Cat. I'm the water snake. Sorry. We'll fix all of your problems.
Happy New Year!
Get off of.
Like you just saw me join. Okay, so first of all, get somewhere that no one, I don't know, but get somewhere, and then I have to wait. What's it called?
Why don't you write this?
I have to do this one thing called do fireworks. Wait, have I even done 4 lobbies? I feel like I have, but okay, I'm going to go on top of there, which shouldn't be that hard. Ah!
Dragon Warrior.
Yeah.
Okay,
You know any codes? In the morning?
ghost hunting.
I know what. We can just pretend. Okay, so that would be night. Alright. Oh, come on.
Okay, 3,
That's a big code that no one goes into. That most
2,
no, not money.
1.
Happy
New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Are you over there? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! 2 days away from New Year's, but Happy New Year! Let's go! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Anniversary 2024. You guys should see that.
Yeah! Happy New Year!
I'm better than you. I'm better than you.
One more surprise. I'm doing a fifth lobby. Okay, this one has to be good. So I took a break from beach because it was getting kind of annoying and no one was doing anything. So, time for the fifth lobby. I'm just gonna do canyons. I don't know why. I feel like canyons would be good. Fifth lobby! The final one. Maybe. Just kidding. It is the final lobby.
I'm just trying to get on that rope.
I gotta get onto the bridge using my very cool tutorial.
Okay. Can you join me?
Okay. I am now about to do the final New Year's. Well, not final, but Happy New Year!
Do you want to go down?
Happy New Year!
Okay. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Finally, someone! Happy New Year!
I like that.
I'm not a hacker. Happy New Year! Guys, look, it's fireworks!
Oh. You.
Happy New Year!
Years.
What?
It's not happening. Use yours.
Happy New Year! I don't care.
That's
Is-
people swearing in this game.
It is New Year's now.
It's because I baked it.
Happy New Year! Wow, that's pretty. No. I gotta get up. Happy New Year!
Wait.
Happy New Year!
I don't go that fast. I shut the fireworks. Fireworks! Barry, run! Look, the fireworks! There you are! Come here. We have to go up. Every climb. And then when you
Video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm probably gonna do one this year. Well, 2024 New Year's. So 2025, but I don't really want to think that far, but yeah. That's that video. It's my first video in 2024. So, yeah. Probably gonna post a video again tomorrow. Not tomorrow. This Wednesday. But, yeah. I have one last thing for you this New Year's.